your album, shit ain't slapping like my mixtape. I'm getting Saudi Arabia money, serving R-base. Rob a rapper and say my name, get his chain back. My bitch cheat on me, I find out, get her chain snatched. 1,000 grams on a Cuban, bought a few blocks. Hustle of the century, ordered up a few drops. Park a Ferrari in the trenches, feel like Tupac.
Let's get it.
Bought a paddock for my bitch, signed a death row.
My bitch ain't gon' see the unless it's with a bitch we brought back home. I ain't talking clothes with crosses, we all pop out rockin' chrome. Money shit get blown, these bitches they get flown and sit back home. Dream about pushing level 2 Macomb, we fucking it up and roll. All this shit I see, got too much time, I need therapy. Locked in my pants.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
It's 1045 XLO. XLO.
Better keep it cool, cause this shit could get ugly. Remember I was dead, bro, now I got some money. Feds on my trail, I ain't going for the country. Never tell my tale, I want war, boy, I love you. Knew you was a hoe, you want smoke about a hoe, huh? Never tell a lie, but I might tell you a joke, huh? F430 in that ride doing donuts. Pop out with a new bitch, I cut off my old one. You can't even talk to me, you don't got an M. Ay, pushing in that best bitch, 10 times 10, yeah. I'm up in Atlanta, fuck the daddy in the penthouse. Wonder